and welcome. This is Tyra. Today I have a massive unboxing. I think there's 15 canvases in here. I ordered these off Alibaba.com and from a new store that I haven't ordered from before. So I'm quite intrigued by this and to see what the qualities are like and if it's any good for diamond painting and so on. So these canvases each cost $6.29. I paid shipping on top of it. If you are interested in buying from this store, just be prepared that they don't sell this type of canvas for less than 15, so that's why I have 15 in here, and I'm struggling a lot to get them out. They are 50 times or 40 times 50, I think they were. So I'm still struggling here. Let's see if I can just, no, I can't just. Sorry, it's going to take some time to unbox this because this is really good wrapped. And I'm afraid I'm just going to lay it down here so you can see I have gotten into some of the package, and as you can see, they're tightly packed together. Still struggling, so if there's a lot of that's why, because it's not easy, this one, to get into. So here, now we're almost open. So, but really good packaging, really nice transport time. So here we have, let's just take this one out and let's take a look at that one. It looks really good. So I'm just going to place the canvas down and remove this one. Let's see if I can just put that one over here. Get you into position, perhaps take you down a bit now. The package isn't that big anymore. Like that. And sorry. And take you over here. Like this. And perhaps zoom in. Zoom in. Like that. Yay! So now you're able to see. As I showed you, this painting, there's 15 different kinds of paintings in here. It's a 50 times 40. One of them well-known packaging. So now I'm excited because, oh yes, it is. It is the soft canvas. Cool. So here, the only thing that I was a bit worried about is that they used the opaque covering, but look at that. It's perfect. No creases, no nothing. And it's the soft short linen canvas. I don't know if you can see this. Really nice quality. I think this is one of the best quality canvases that I have had. Okay, so let's try and lay it down here and see how they look when they are folded back. And another thing, a really funny thing is that let's see, it's not that big, but they offered to do your own name on it. So I don't know, can I have it to zoom? Can you see that? My craft. Yes. My craft, it says. Let's just see if we can do like that, and then no, it won't focus today. Why won't you focus when I ask you to? Let's see. Like that. So isn't that good? So there's nothing else on it than the little tiny Minecraft up here. Let's see if I can just like that. And then we have inventory sheet over here, or inventory list. So let's try and pull this back and take a look at the drills afterwards and count the drills and do inventory and so on. So I'm hoping not to mess this one up too much. Oh, this is good. No rivers, no nothing, and there's a shine on the canvas. Oh, it's perfect, this canvas. I am so pleased. This is like madness. It's so nice, this canvas, and with my own logo on it. What's not to like? And no, I'm not going to sell them. I just found it very amusing that they did that for free, so you are able to do your own logos on it. I'm not going to pull it back anymore, but look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that canvas. And the drill quality, or the drill print on it, as you can see, I chose a square one. I've got 8 rounds and 7 squares, I think. But the drill quality, it's going to look so good. And with the sunflowers, and it's a really, this looks a bit like a Danish farmhouse with the straw and the roofs and so on. There's lots of them around in Denmark. God. Oh, I'm pleased. Sorry, but I'm really pleased with this one. So I'm just going to put it back as is. And again, look at that back. Nothing on it. It's perfect. In perfect condition. And I'm sure that if I just put this one back as well, it's going to just lay flat. So, like that. Perfect. So, here we have, let's zoom in again. Here we have the drills, and as you can see, there is a sheet with it. So let's just take that one and see what's in it. Oh, let's just, as you can see here, this is tweezers, a plate of wax. No, you can't see that. But here, there's the tweezers, a plate of wax, a boat with a funnel, and 6-7 placer on an opaque, or no, yeah, see-through diamond painting pen. So yeah, perfect. And here we have inventory sheet. Like that. Lots of colors, I can already tell. And here we have the house. Painting of the house. It's a really nice size. And let's just see if all the drills, there's loads of drills in here. I can already say that. I'm not nervous to be, then they should have missed some color or something, but oh my god, there's a lot of drills in here. So let's start out with what we know. That's the 310. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And we have a pen over here. Are you able to see? Follow along in this? Yes, you are. Perhaps. I'm just going to take you in for a while in here. And if you don't want to see inventory, then Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And if you want to, and remember to click the bell below and so on, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you want to tag along and see me do inventory, let's do it together. 3, 6, 7, 8, 48. There's a lot of colors in here. I'm just going to count the amount of colors afterwards. So So let's see. Yeah, all the drills are here and accounted for. There's an inventory sheet. I am so impressed. This is so good, and as you can already see, they had set the mark on it, so it had been checked through. So, but let's count the amount of colors, and as you know, I'm really bad at counting, so I'm going to do it in Danish. So 3, 6, 10, 13, 16, 20, 23, 26, 30, 33, 36, 40, 43, 46, 50. 53 colors. That's the biggest that I have ever had in a small painting like this. I'm so impressed. And you can see it on the canvas, the amount. It's going to take really lot of time because there's a whole lot of confetti in it, but I am so impressed with this. Oh, I'm happy. This is one of the best stores that I've ever seen. Let's see of course when you do the paintings and so on, but if you look at the drills as well, they look really good. Let's take the 310s. That's the ones that we already know we can have trouble with, but look at those. I am So I'm out of works. This is fantastic. And my own little mark up here. Don't you just? I love it. I love it. Sorry, but fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. I can only recommend. As I said, they cost around $6 per piece. If you are a couple who goes together, you can have some each and split them up. She provides different kinds of shipment. I chose to have it with DDP, which is duty paid, so I didn't have any issues with customs and so on. Perfect condition. I'm so impressed with this one, and it came within 10 days. So over the moon, thrilled, excited, never could be more happy. I'm going to do a video for each of them because I think let's just go through them and enjoy this. So happy diamond painting, enjoy, and find the links below. As always, if you want some advice and so on, go to Orchid's video. I'm going to link that one as well. She has a way of, or she's done a video of how you can buy off Alibaba. So just so I don't need to really do another video about it. She has already one, so let's just use that one. So happy diamond painting, and see you in my next video. Bye all.